Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can turn a used Nutella jar like this into something like this. So I just want to say I did get the idea from a TikToker. I will put a link in the description. I couldn't download their video unfortunately, so I couldn't show it here. But yeah, the link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. So let's get into it. So to start off with, you're gonna need a Nutella jar. If you don't like Nutella, why even subscribe to me? So yeah, I washed it out and I took the lid off. Next I moved on to painting, so I'm using these outdoor acrylics. These are waterproof, so it's perfect for this. I don't have to bother with glazing, and if I need to like wash this after using it, it will stay on, so it's perfect. So I actually watered the pink down a bit, and that was probably not a good idea, so then I just went in with the paint straight and like went over it so that it would be nice and thick because it was a bit transparent. I added too much water by accident. And yeah, so I was painting on like the cow pattern ish. I just did this from my head, not looking at any cows. And then I made like a lighter pink. I just simply added some white paint to the pink I was already using. And yeah, I was kind of just doing the same style as the person on TikTok. So here is how it's looking. And then I moved on to making the face. So I'm using a polymer clay. So I grabbed like this lightish pink color to make the nose part, did like a rounded rectangle, and then just used the end of a paintbrush to put in like the little nostrils. And here it is. So for the ears, the person in the TikTok video used like felt, but I wanted mine to be more waterproof, so I continued like doing all the face with clay, and I made kind of again like a rounded rectangle, but this time like thinner, cut it in half, and then I made like kind of triangle, not triangle shapes, more like rounded rectangles basically with a straight edge. So yeah, I just like used my craft knife to get that straight edge, and then I used this other pink color to kind of add that like inner part of the ear, so it looks like this. And then I pinched together like the two ends, so like where the flat bit is, or the straight edge, sorry, on the ear, like to make the ear shape essentially. So you could see like I'm just pinching it here to get that shape, and these are gonna go like on the side of the lid, like drooping down like this. So I'm kind of just showing you here. And then I did like the horn things that the cows have, so I grabbed the same color that I used for like the inner ear and just made like these rounded cone shape. So I made two of the horns in this way. So let me know in the comments below your favorite milkshake. Honestly, mine is not strawberry, it's chocolate. I just love chocolate. You can even mix some milk in with your leftover Nutella if you like, shake it up and then like microwave it if you want like a hot chocolate. It's so good. So yeah, next I did the eyes. So I simply rolled a ball of like black clay and cut it in half, and then just squashed down the two kind of circles. They're a bit wonky, but that's all right, it will give the cow a bit of character. And this is how like the final facial features have all turned out, and I went ahead and baked this clay in the oven. So while that was baking, I went ahead and made a hole for the straw. So I kind of marked the center, just eyeballing it with my straw as well there. And I used a craft knife to kind of cut like a cross shape. You know, when you go to McDonald's or wherever you get your fast food from and they have the cross. So I basically copied that. And then I grabbed a pair of scissors to like push these kind of triangle shapes in, I guess, and just, you know, make the hole like a bit easier for me to push the straw into. And then I grabbed my straw and pushed this through, so this will help keep the straw in place as well. I know on TikTok the girl had a big hole, but I thought that this was a bit better, hold the straw in place. Then once all my clay was cured, I used this E6000 glue to stick all the facial features down. So this glue is actually waterproof, so it's perfect for this project. If you ever use this to drink out of and you need to just wash it, it's not going to ruin any of the work that you've done. So I would recommend that you hand wash this though. I wouldn't really put this in the dishwasher. And yeah, that is basically my strawberry cow. And once all the glue had dried, here is how she turned out. So here is how the final like drinking cup turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So obviously I've done like a strawberry cow. You could save up loads of Nutella jars and paint them all different colours and have like a big range of different cows, like yellow for banana, blue for blueberry like the person on TikTok. That would be really cool. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!